Hello, this is PageFly team, and in this video you will learn how to make your Shopify theme become responsive for all the devices that can view your store online with our PageFly editor. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to know is to install PageFly to your Shopify store, and to do so just go to app.shopify.com and search out PageFly in the search bar, and you can see the results. PageFly, the #1 page builder. Click on it, and then you click on add the app to your store, and that is it. You go back to your store, go to app and choose PageFly, and the next thing you have is your theme you have already selected and published to your store. And if you already published, then PageFly will use that theme in its editor. So in this part of this video, you will learn how to make your theme become responsive with our PageFly editor. So here is my store. I have already installed the PageFly app, and this is the editor in my store. This is a demo store just for the purpose of this video. Keep in mind that the goal here is to make the theme you choose and already published. And here I have a template I choose. It doesn't matter it's a theme or template, it will show here in the editor after you install that theme or template to your store and publish. We have this interface. This is what I choose and publish. So the goal here is to make the theme or template you choose become responsive to all devices. And with PageFly editor, you can see each view from each devices by simply click on the top here. You can choose the view from laptop, view from tablet, and the view from mobile. So in here I have selected my template, which is already a responsive template built by PageFly. And now I will show you how to make some changes if your theme is not responsive. For example, it may look good on the laptop version, but if you switch to the mobile, you see a text is too big or too small, and you want to rearrange the segment of the text on rearrange the order of the image. You can also do so without changing the view from the original laptop version. I will show you how right now. So first thing, if you want to rearrange the order of the image in each devices, all you have to do is click on the image. For example, this image I have choose. I click on the four-headed arrow on top of it, and I drag it to where I want it to be. So in this case, I want it to go down the product that I choose. There, it's just go down. To go back, we do the same thing. Click on the forehead arrow and let it back. And I will add some product here for you to see to be more attractive. So this is my product I add here. So if you want to change the image below the product, just go right below it, and there you go. It's easy thing, right? So what about text? If you find a text that you want to increase, decrease the size of font, all you have to do is change this. First, look on the right side on the general tab here. You can change the heading tag for each of the text that you selected. And then if you want it to get bigger, or if you want the text here to get more space on it, all you have to do is go to spacing, and you can mess around with the padding and margin. The padding is inner spacing and margin is outer spacing. For example, I will choose this piece of text and mess around with it. Let's say to the right, I will choose 200 pixel, and as you can see, the text have been moved here. And what about if I added 200 pixel from the right? Yeah, as you can see, the text have been longer and it have been compressed to the middle. So what if I mess around with the outer space? Let's say 100 pixel below. As you can see, the spacing from outside of this box has been much greater. What about 100 on top? You can see the text have been far away from the top image, which is this tree. So that is just how I demonstrate you can make changes by the size and spacing. Oh, I forgot the size. You can change the size here by just drag and drop. As you can see, if you want it to get bigger, the font size will get bigger. Just drag it like this, messing around with it, and stop when you see fit. And you can choose also the style, text style. You can choose bold, italic, or underline. Got it? Simple, right? So what if you want to change something and you don't, from mobile, and you don't want it to appear on the desktop version? Right now, this is what it look like on the desktop version, and this is what it look like on the mobile version, right? Let's say this again. If you want to change the image back from this to up here and go back here, you see the image is on the left side again. In the last time it was on the right side because I changed it. If you don't want it to appear on the laptop version, that the image on the left, simply go back or stay here, select the image and drag it from the side. Oh, I'm sorry, you have to go to mobile, then drag it down again. So basically you want to keep the image below the text, you want to keep the image below the product only on the mobile version, but you don't know how to keep the same effect on the desktop version. Just go back here, create a duplicate of it, duplicate, Command D. As you can see, after you duplicate it, it just show another picture right below it, the original one. Now all you have to do is drag the picture you just duplicate up here, and it's so simple, right? In here, in this picture, go to General tab and you hide this one image from the mobile version because you only want the image below to appear, and you have to hide on mobile. As you can see, this one have been hide from the mobile version, and that is how your customer will see your store on mobile. But come back to the laptop version. As you can see, the image is on the left side again as we wanted, but there is still one more image down below. Just select it and click on hide from desktop. Just hide from desktop. Oh, I mean hide on laptop. Sorry, this is a laptop view. As you can see here, the laptop view is back to normal again, and if you go to the mobile, it will appear the way you want it without changing the order from the laptop version. And that is it. So basically making it responsive is making it more appealing on each devices based on the ratio of the screen to appeal to its viewer. And that is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and click on the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow and to be notified when we release new video. Thank you.